Hi, I'm Joni Hilton, your YouTube mom. Hey, have you ever wished you had a whiteboard in a meeting or in a gathering of some kind where you could draw out what you're talking about and explain it to people? We've all heard of people drawing things on napkins, right? Um, and that's not as effective as this. Here's how to make your own little mini whiteboard. You take one of these wonderful plastic sleeves that come with, binders and things, and they're 3-hole punched already, and you put a white piece of paper in there. Now, these are also fantastic to give to little kids who might go through 30 pages of paper drawing pictures, and instead you give them some color whiteboard markers and let them draw away. I'll show you my famous drawing that you probably know too. Do you know what this is? Yes, you do. You know it's a piggy with his little feet, and he's happy. But here's the great thing about these. Look, you just wipe it clean when you're done, or when you don't want anyone to see that you were actually drawing a pig. But these are so easy to work with, and they last forever. I mean, you just keep wiping them clean, wiping them clean. And for kids anyway, that's half the fun too. You can make them a game. You can have them make a game. And then if you are in a meeting or something, it's really handy to have something like this. And then as people contribute ideas, you erase something, you add something else. It's really, really easy and quick with whiteboard markers, and you'll love it. I'm Joni Hilton, your YouTube mom. Hey, subscribe and tell your friends to subscribe, and we will see you next time.